today I have a short tip, a short Photoshop tip that'll give your portraits this nice high contrast, glamorous look, and it's real easy and real quick. Let me show you. So first thing you need to do is make a duplicate of the background layer. Well, first of all, double click the background layer, click OK, and make a copy. Select the top layer, go filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and give it a generous amount, but I normally stay below halfway of the slider. So 12 is good, click OK. Next step, most important step, change the blend mode from normal to overlay. And that's it. You get this. If you so choose, you can apply a layer mask with a small brush, paint with black, and just bring back some details in the eyes, cat eyes. Oh, maybe not. And that's it. Okay, this works best on portraits. Also works great on black and white. Let's look at another image. This one. Same steps. Double click. Make a copy. Blur, Gaussian blur. A bit more for this one. Let's try that. Okay. Change the blend mode from normal, overlay, and you get this. This one is even more cool. This one is much better. See, before, after, before, after. Not a quick tip, we could just apply a color lookup over the entire, over both layers, and maybe, let's try this one. Cool look. But that's it. Just under 2 minutes. Quick Photoshop tip. That'll give your portraits a different look. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you on the next one.